Look at the bees. That's crazy. Look at that.
We ship these.
He made packages and all.
Honey, I wish I had a penny for every package I helped build.
Oh, really?
And the little queen packages.
Yeah.
But us kids would sneak down to his little bee house down there because that's where he kept his candy for the. We got in.
You got in the candy.
And then now I'm thinking he made that out of that creek
Honey,
water.
yummy.
You got one of them?
Yep.
Oh, what do we have over here? Spinning wheel. Like all this stuff, huh? You've seen one of these at the alpaca farm, right? Yeah.
Well, I don't want that. That's a little much. See how I got caught on this other day? Little barbs on it. These little hooks, I guess you could say. Like Velcro. It's like Velcro. And that's why when she said over here, you gotta be careful how you handle it. If you handle it too much, it wants to felt. Felt is like these things over here. And so you can't really spin it. It just gets all kind of tangled up. And you can do stuff with that stuff, but you can't really knit with it afterwards or crochet with it.
Look at the sheep. Hey, buddy.
We're gonna have to separate somebody. Gabby and
Who's got the horns? They're not getting on very well, are they?
they're both picking on her now.
Look at the one over here with the
Yeah, we'll
horns.
probably have to take that and put it in the other one.
Well,
Put her back.
this one's not really picking on her.
Well, she doesn't have to. She's got horns.
Oh, these are toys. Aw. These are pretty interesting. They're gonna have stuff in here in a little while. They're gonna have meal pools and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to do. You know, I bet you Papa has every one of these in the shed. You know he does. Well, it looks like they're loading up with old people. Hey, there's a door over there. I want to play. Hey, there's a store I got. 1945 cornmeal. Cornmeal. It's pretty cool though. They took the whole ladies. Yeah, they did. So neat. It is a dangerous job.
The devil went down to Georgia. He was looking for a soul to steal. He was in a bind, but he was way behind. He was willing to make a deal. When he came across this young man sewing on a fiddle and playing it hot, and the devil jumped up on a hickory stump and said, "Boy, let me tell you what. I guess you didn't know it, but I'm a fiddle player too. And if you'd care to take a dare, I'll make a bet with you. Now, you played pretty good fiddle, boy, but give the devil his due. I bet a fiddle of gold against your soul, 'cause I think I'm better than you." The boy said, "My name's Johnny, and it might be a sin, but I'll take your bet you're gonna regret, 'cause I'm the best there's ever been." Johnny, rosin up your bow and play your fiddle hard, 'cause hell's broke loose in Georgia and the devil deals the cards. And if you win, you get this shiny fiddle made of gold, but if you lose, the devil gets your soul. said, I'll start this show, and fire flew from his fingertips as he rosined up his bow. And he pulled the bow across the strings, and it made an evil hiss. And then a band of demons joined in, and it sounded something like this. When the devil finished, Johnny said, well, you're pretty good, old son. But sit down in that chair right there and let me show you how it's done. Fire on the mountain, run, boys, run. The devil's in the house of the rising sun. Chicken in the bread pan, picking out dough. Ready to dog fight, no child, no. The devil bowed his head because he knew that he'd been beat. And he laid that golden fiddle on the ground at Johnny's feet. Johnny said, devil, just come on back if you ever want to try again. Cause I told you once, you son of a gun, I'm the best there's ever been. He played fire on the mountain, run, boys, run. Devil's in the house of the rising sun. The chicken in the bread pan, picking out gold. Anyway, you don't find no child, no.
You're fine.
So that goes to show you that she's a gentle mule, but now she's an animal, so they all capable of doing different things. But just to show you how versatile the mules are, Mr. Lewis can make her do pretty much anything, and he goes to parades with her and rides her all around. But it's amazing to see him riding down Interstate 59 with no side bodies or nothing, and that mule tied up to the front of his trailer, and then the buggy behind him. So Mr. Lewis is going to do a few little tricks with Sugar, and then we'll get on with our mule pull. But the little guy over here in the corner that's riding the sorrel mule, that belongs to one of our pullers, Mike Amy, and he just turned 3. And you can see how versatile he is. He's all the kids riding him and doing pretty much whatever they want to do with him. And he will probably be pulling one of these slides before too much longer. But they are versatile animals and they're very smart. So this little boy is glad that I think this belongs to Chad. He belongs to Chad, but he's enjoyed riding him. Lewis, when you get ready, holler.
I guess both.
It's in Radford, whatever it is.
She's bowing.
You'll have to come down.
Mine's as good as some kids, so that's what I call a gentle view. And she will ride too. Mr. Lewis rides her too.
Natural gate.
Go give her a treat now for doing what you told her to do. Mike is the one that owns the little riding mule.
I knew you'd been there about that. Yeah. Y'all be good. All right, good to see you.
So they say, I know what he's fixing to do. That thing's heavy. Thinking about it. weighing 2550, taking to 47. They also pulled 11,500 last weekend. Isn't that gal? That Louisiana mule ain't pulling. Did you hear me, Larry? You're gonna have to tighten up, darling. Got one more try. Bobby ain't coming. All right, that's all for that team. That ground makes a difference. Larry, you won't take Cal and Donnie.
You get them when they're going. Hook it when they're going. Get that momentum.
Center run, hide your face in the run and hide your face. Run to the rocks, saying hide my face. The rocks don't have no hiding place. Crying holy unto the Lord, crying holy unto the Lord. If I could, I surely would stand on that rock where Moses stood. Crying holy unto the